all a new year. Hi, my name is Prachi and I post videos every Monday and Thursday.
Thinking of you, thinking of you.
So, as I have said earlier in my previous video, if you have not checked it out, do check it out. Today's video is going to be a super huge purple makeup haul, and not even kidding guys, I have all the things here. And without wasting any more time, let's just directly dive into the video. I'll mention the price here somewhere on the screen, and I'll link every product's ka link on the description box down below. So if you want to buy any product, you can just go and check the description box. So now, moving on to our very first product. The very first product that we have is this Swiss Beauty ka mascara. It's their Swiss Beauty mascara in the shade black, obviously, and it's the 10 ml ka bottle. It was priced as rupees 250 and I got it on sale for rupees 200, and it is the mascara that I am wearing today. Guys, just look at this, and the inner packaging looks somewhat like this. It is a very metallic silver kind of a packaging. It looks really very luxurious. बहुत ज़्यादा flexible है, आपके ये lashes को lengthening भी करता है and voluminize भी करता है. So yeah, if you want a good mascara, I would really suggest you to buy this mascara. And now, moving on, the second item that we have here is this Swiss Beauty ka liquid highlighter drop and glow, and I am in the shade rose gold. And oh my god, I wanted a liquid highlighter for so long, and then finally I decided to grab my hands on these. So this is what it looks like. इसका जो ये कैप है बहुत स्टर्डी है. The packaging is so pretty. 6 shades आराम से थे इसमें, but this particular rose gold shades complement my skin tone very well. And let me show you guys. Sorry, I need to open it. So yeah, this is what it basically looks like. And now moving on to our third product, we have this beautiful lipstick from NY Bae. I am using NY Bae ka lipstick since now 8 to 9 months, and trust me, I only have NY Bae ka lipsticks with me. It says that it is supremely pigmented, and trust me, एक ही switch में आपको लगेगा कि this is supremely pigmented. It dries off quickly. Just apply it, leave it for 1 minute, and you're good to go. It dries off completely. It is transfer proof. It is more of a purplish shade. This is the shade. Guys, look at this. It is more, yeah, it is in the maroonish side, but it is more of a purplish maroonish kind of a shade. So yeah, it is a lightweight formula, you guys. मतलब आप लगा लो, आपको कुछ फील ही नहीं होगा कि ये लाइटवेट की कुछ लगाया है अपने लिप्स पे. Yeah, I would suggest you to buy this lipstick if you want to buy a matte lipstick under a budget. Now moving on, we have another lipstick from NY Bae, and इसका outer packaging कुछ ऐसा है. उसका packaging कहाँ गया पता नहीं, but this is what the outer packaging looks like, and this is in the shade Miranda's First Kiss. It is more on a red side. No more description, जो पहले बता दिया वही है. ये भी same lipstick, but this is what this lipstick looks like. This is the shade right here. बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यारा शेड है. Moving on to our next product, we have this Dermadoc का face wash. Ignore the packaging guys, मैंने ये खोल लिया था आते ही, so I'm sorry for that. But this is what the face wash looks like basically. So it is the anti-acne face wash with salicylic acid. I have extremely oily skin, so I need a face wash that is, and due to the oily skin I have a lot of acne problems, and so I need a face wash which is an anti-acne face wash. And trust me, Dermadoc products, I am using their cream, face serums and everything for more than 6 months now, and I can see the change in my face. I don't know about anybody else, but this is my personal experience. I so love Dermadoc products. It is dermatologically tested. Number 1, it is paraben free, cruelty free, sulfate free. It has salicylic acid, and salicylic acid is very good for the acne prone skin. I wanted to try their face wash, तो मैंने पहले छोटा ही order किया, and this was priced at rupees 245, but I got it on sale for rupees 172. It is a steal deal guys if you have an acne prone skin. I don't know, like I won't suggest you any face washes because it depends upon skin to skin, but for me I have oily skin, I have an acne prone skin and I really like the product. प्लीज़ इग्नोर दैट बैकग्राउंड नॉइज़, मेरे घर के आगे कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, सो प्लीज़। एंड देखो अभी आप देख लो ये वाला लिपस्टिक का मैं आपको दिखा दे रही हूँ, ये देखो नथिंग कम्स ऑफ, इट इज़ एज इट इज़ एंड इट ड्राइज सुपर क्विकली। नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, वी हैव दिस Maybelline का सुपर स्टे 24 hour फुल कवरेज फाउंडेशन and this is in the shade Sun Base 310 and I know राखी वाले वीडियो पे I have used the shade Golden 320, but that was my first purchase and after using that I personally realized about this foundation is this foundation oxidizes after a few times, so I would suggest you to go a shade lighter to your skin tone because ये थोड़े टाइम पे oxidize हो जाता है and so I thought of going a shade lighter and today I have applied this particular foundation in the shade Sun Base. So if you want to buy this foundation, just remember go a shade lighter to your skin tone. This was priced at rupees 750 but your girl got it on sale for rupees 525. Moving on to our next product, we have this Fit Me Ka compact pouch. What the outer packaging looks like and this is what the inner packaging looks like. So yeah, एंड अंदर में खोल के आपको एक मिरर मिल जाएंगे एंड यू हैव दिस स्पंज राइट ओवर हियर. I personally don't use this and you get a covering over here. This is what the shade looks like. It was basically priced at rupees 200 but I got it on sale for rupees 160. So moving on to our next product, we have this Maybelline का, it is their Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. This is what the packaging, it is very cute, pink है, pink के साथ में black का mixture is very cute. You can see it over here. Wand is something like this. इसका wand थोड़ा सा curved है and this particular mascara also lengthens and volumizes your eyelashes. So basically ये मेरे को फ्री मिला. इसका मैंने जब प्राइस एटलीस्ट पता करने के लिए मैंने पूरा पर्पल में सर्च किया तो इसका प्राइस भी वहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं था. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, वी हैव दिस डर्मडॉक का एंटी एजिंग फेस सीरम विथ रेटिनॉल. ये बेसिकली मेरे को ये सीरम फ्री मिला था. द नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट दैट वी हैव इज दिस एंटी एक्ने फेस सीरम विथ सैलिसिलिक एसिड. 10 ml के बॉटल्स आते हैं, 10 ml के बॉटल आते हैं ये कुछ इस तरीके के, पूरा खाली हो गया है, नथिंग इज देयर इनसाइड इट. इट इज देयर एंटी एक्ने फेस सीरम विद सैलिसिलिक एसिड. आई वुड सजेस्ट सैलिसिलिक एसिड वाला. सो या दिस वाज आर 2 क्यूट प्रोडक्ट्स. ये भी फिनिश हो गया. सॉरी आई फॉरगॉट टू टेल यू द प्राइस. जो रेटिनॉल वाला है वो मेरे को फ्री मिला बट इसका ओरिजिनल प्राइस इज रुपीज़ 200 एंड जो सैलिसिलिक एसिड वाला है इसका प्राइस वॉज रुपीज़ 200 बट आई गॉट इट इन सेल फॉर रुपीज़ 140. मूविंग ऑन, वी हैव दिस डर्मडॉक का फेस जेल जो मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियो पे दिखाया था आपको. दिस इज ऑल्सो एन एंटी एक्ने फेस जेल विद सैलिसिलिक एसिड. 100 ग्राम का बॉटल है यू गाइस. मैंने ये रेंज ही ट्राई किया था सैलिसिलिक एसिड वाला का बिकॉज मैंने बहुत सुना था सैलिसिलिक एसिड. सेम गोज जो भी डिस्क्रिप्शन मैंने डर्मडॉक का पहले दिया था वही है इसमें से. इट इज़ अ जेल बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर. So this is what it looks like. You get a cap over here and what the inner packaging looks like. It's just rupees 250 but I got it on sale for rupees 174. What a steal deal. Moving on, we have this Good Vibes ka sunscreen with SPF 50 PA+++ with UVB plus UVA protection. I won't suggest you to use this because ये थोड़े टाइम बाद जाके फेस पे और ऑयली हो जाता है. So I won't suggest you this if you have an oily skin. Rupees 400 and yeah this was costly as well but I got it in sale for rupees 280 but I won't suggest you if you have an oily skin. Moving on to our next product, we have this NYB का लिपस्टिक. ये भी आपने देखा होगा पहला वीडियो में. ये थोड़ा सा अलग है पिछले वाले NYB के लिपस्टिक से but this is an NYB का लिपस्टिक. It is primer plus matte confessions Lipaholic liquid lipstick and the shade Snowflake Kisses number 8. प्राइमर वगैरह प्रेजेंट है पहले से ही as it claims and it is very smooth. इसका शेड is something like this one right over here is more on a brownish bluish maroon kind of a shade, मतलब थोड़ा सा. This was priced at rupees 220, but I got it in sale for rupees 187. Moving on, we have the free item from Purple, and this is this too cute sa nail paint, and this is their Gala Sexy nail lacquer. NYB का ही है, 6 ml का बॉटल है. ये दोनों मेरे को फ्री मिला, बट बेसिकली इसका प्राइस वॉज ₹75 ईच, विच इक्वल्स टू 150 रुपीज़, बट आई गॉट इट ऑन फ्री. दिस इज़ वॉट आई हैव अप्लाइड राइट नाउ. यही है जो मैंने अप्लाई किया हुआ है. ये पूरा नहीं है. इसको अगर आप ब्लैक नेल पेंट लगा के इसको ऊपर से कोट करो तो ही बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. ये है अगर आप इसको सिर्फ यही लगाओगे तो. Another product that we have is this NYB का lipstick again. I'm not kidding guys, you can see my obsessions over NYB का lipstick, and this was the lipstick that I bought it for myself because it was a purple kind of tone है, but मेरी मम्मी को ये बहुत पसंद आया and my mom took it. So this is what the shade looks like. Basically it is a pure purple kind of a shade, and the shade name is Red Ready. This was priced at rupees 195, but I got it on sale for rupees 166. Moving on to our next product, we have this NYB का lip kohl pencil. It's in the shade white, and इसका नेम है Long Eyeliner Deep Intense Kohl Eye Pencil. ये मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियो पे लगाया था, and this is what it looks like. ये रही, दिख रहा है ना. It is a beauty. It was priced at ₹85, and I got it in sale for ₹68. क्या मिलेगा आपको इतना बड़ा पेंसिल 68 रुपीज़. Moving on, we have this NYB का eyeliner, and I won't recommend it to you at all. Like what happened was, ये मैंने यूज़ भी नहीं किया है और ये पूरा सूख गया परे, मतलब पूरा सूख गया गाइस ये. This was priced at rupees 150, but I got it in sale for rupees 104. Moving on to our next product, we have this Stay Quirky ka mini lipstick. The packaging is so cute. It looks so luxurious, and it is in the shade I Woke Up Like This number 3. The outer packaging looks like this. It is a liquid lipstick, and the inner packaging looks like this. This is the mini lipstick. इसका packaging is leopard print का है. Inner packaging is somewhat like this in the shade I Woke Up Like This. But ज़्यादा ही ड्राई है ये लिपस्टिक. आपको पहले अपने लिप्स बहुत अच्छे से मॉइस्चराइज करने पड़ेंगे, तभी आप ये लिपस्टिक लगा सकते हो. न्यूड शेड है ये, बहुत ज़्यादा बट ड्राई हो जाता है. So apply a well moisturizer first, and then you can only apply this lipstick. If you can see, कहाँ गया ये रहा, ये वाला शेड है ये. So yeah, just rupees 200, but I got it in sale for rupees 149. Moving on, we have this Stay Quirky ka foundation. It is the liquid foundation enriched with vitamin E. This is what this foundation looks like basically, and I am in the shade Carry On Caramel number 3. अगर अ पर्सन जिसको डेली यूज़ में यूज़ करना चाहिए होता है फाउंडेशन, तो यू कुड गो फॉर दिस, बट ये उतना अच्छा नहीं लगा मेरे को. इतना है, इससे अच्छा तो मैं आपको बोलूँगी कि अगर आपको यूज़ करना है तो आप लैक्मे का सीसी क्रीम या पॉन्ड्स का बीबी क्रीम यूज़ कर लो. एंड इट वॉज प्राइस्ड एट रुपीज़ 165, बट आई गॉट इट इन सेल फॉर रुपीज़ 129. ऑन टू आवर लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट ऑफ टुडेज वीडियो, वी हैव these mini nail paints, and you know what, कुछ इसमें से मैट है, कुछ इसमें से मैट नहीं है. एंड चलो फटाफट हम लोग शेड के बारे में डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. वी डोंट वांट टू मेक दिस वीडियो सुपर लॉन्ग. सो द वेरी फर्स्ट वी हैव इज दिस नेल एनामल NYB का मैट, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नेल पेंट शेड. NYB के मैट नेल पेंट in the shade Chicken Barbecue number 15. It was priced at rupees 85, but I got it in sale for rupees 65. What a beautiful product, 65 rupees. Moving on, we have this particular nail paint over here, and it is in the shade 7 Spicy Pink. ये मैट नहीं है. Moving on, we have this particular nail paint over here, and it is in the shade Plumbing number 2. rosy pink type of a color है ये, and this was also priced at ₹50 and I got it in sale for ₹37 again. ये भी matte नहीं है. Moving on, we have this particular shade right over here and it is in the shade Nuggets number 9 and this is a matte shade. Basically matte shade में क्या होता है ना, आप देखो, हाँ ये matte नहीं है, इसका जो पैकेजिंग है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो नॉट मैट वाला एंड ये तीनों मैट है. तो इसके पैकेजिंग में भी ना नीचे में कुछ वो फ्रोस्टेड वाले आते हैं ना, वैसा है ये कुछ. सो या हम लोग ये नगेट्स के बारे में बात कर रहे थे. पर्टिकुलर का भी ओरिजिनल प्राइस वॉज ₹85 एंड आई गॉट इट इन सेल फॉर ₹64. नाउ मूविंग ऑन टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोडक्ट, वी हैव दिस पर्टिकुलर शेड राइट ओवर हियर. ये भी मैट है एंड इट इज़ इन द शेड सॉफ्ट प्रेट्जल नंबर 5. ये मैट है and this was also priced at ₹85 and I got it in sale for ₹64. And also NYB के nail pins are so good, they are so damn good. मतलब ये आपको आराम से 1 वीक से ऊपर चल जाते हैं, बिल्कुल भी 1 वीक से पहले तो ये चिप होता ही नहीं है. And these are very pretty nail pins. So yeah, that's it for today's video guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this huge purple makeup haul, and if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon right next to it so that every time I post a video you get notified. And don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I'll mention the handle in the description box as well as in the screen right here. Do comment down below if you liked any of the products right over here. And yeah, with that, see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay safe.